Hi, we're just walking on the train tracks on the right side. Never done it before. Don't know where I'm gonna end up, but I don't know what's Timmy's, but I don't know what's after Timmy's. So we're gonna find out what's on the other side of the tracks, as they say.
Yep.
Welcome back to vlogs.
What?
Wait, I mean, welcome to vlogs. This has never happened before.
What?
Or welcome back to, unless we post this after.
Wait, what are you saying?
What?
Can I do this on this? Do I press the button? I literally.
Okay, so we're out here on the train tracks. Some people behind us. It's always weird. I've never really had this before, where I've actually been on the train tracks. So much else has been on it. This is good to know.
We just hopped on a fence.
Yeah.
Or like a ladder.
We're trying to find what's after Timmy's.
Where even is
tracks.
Tim?
It's like down the train tracks. But like, we'll just go farther.
So what we're doing.
I've always been curious.
What?
I've always been curious.
Okay.
What's past Timmy's?
That's where we're going. You haven't picked that up yet.
Yeah. No one wants to turn their YouTube thing.
Is this blue or black?
It's obviously fucking black, but you guys don't say it's black, and you guys are all wrong, you know what I mean?
It's definitely blue.
It
Am I right?
No, it looks black. I don't know what about that looks blue.
Wait, how do I stop?
It's got a little chillier out here, so
It's a little frigid.
I just decided to bundle up, tie my sweater perfectly. I don't know how she's not cold.
I don't have a string on mine. I was like, I should do that to mine.
You always complain that you're cold in class, and it's like 21 degrees. Dude, don't complain it's cold outside. It's like, what, 2 degrees out
I'm
here?
not get used to it. Look how cold my hands are.
Holy crap, they're numb. Are you okay? Jeez.
No.
We can go inside if you want.
I don't care. We made it past Tim's a while ago. The navy blue Tim's. Anyways, we're just walking now.
She's colorblind, so it's just the things look different.
He's colorblind, not me.
Alright, yeah, sure.
Yeah, au revoir. Oh, why, hello, my friend.
Holy crap, she's fine. We don't have to do that for her. Just got kind of bored.
Okay, so right now we're still walking on the train tracks, trying to get somewhere substantial, but
I'm just exploring. Never been down this way, and I walk regularly. I don't usually fall.
Just been falling constantly.
Stumbled a couple times, as you'd say. You know,
so yeah,
we're gonna let you guys know when we get there to the beach, or wherever this leads. Well, actually, we'll probably just turn around. It's kind of getting boring.
Yeah, but if we turn around, we can pretend we are keeping to going.
Oh, we can. Oh, maybe we've already done it.
Update.
We're still going. We're still going strong. We're trekking along.
Found a rock.
Ow, that's kind of muddy. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna make it. We're gonna get somewhere. Maybe they went around in a big loop. There's odd reason.
What?
Maybe we'll just end up back at our house.
Maybe.
I think we walked around the whole world.
We walked all the way to Australia.
Yeah.
And back to New Zealand.
I think we went through Antarctica. By the way, guys, Antarctica and the North Pole are the same thing. So we went all the way back around, yeah.
So we did. Yep, bye.
This time for the first time.
No, you gotta hold it like underneath.
Oh crap, there's a car. We made land.
No, you gotta hold it like this.
Oh, whoops.
Not like this.
Alright. Sorry, I don't want to break my own fun. Okay, so you gotta look both ways here. Crossing the road. Oh my god, this is the saddest sprint I've ever seen. She can't run.
You can run.
So you guys know. Here, I'll zoom in her face. It's funny. Alright, you gonna start? Oh, you did start it. That's the guy who decided to start. So we're kind of finished. You know, we got 400 meters left of our walk or tour or whatever.
Wait, do you actually know that for a fact?
This is exactly 400 meters this way. Exactly. That's probably like 406.
We made it to the end of the track, but we didn't vlog it for you.
Yeah. It was actually no.
We
just turned around. We got kind of bored.
So say that.
I'm kidding, guys. We made it to the end of the tracks. We actually went through Australia, and then obviously the North Pole, and then down to, back here, all the way around the world.
That's where we went.
Wait, do tracks go all the way around the? No, wait. How far would those tracks go? They go to like the ocean.
Yeah.
I don't know. Because think of it, they built tracks all the way across Canada, the transcontinental Atlantic, and then think about it. Maybe they do go all the way to the Pacific Ocean.
Maybe they do. All right. Au revoir.
Jeez.